Test test. Yes, should be working. I had to plug in the little thing. We're back. We're back. We're back. We're back. New York PM session. Let's go, baby. Oh shit. Test test. Yes, should be working. I had to plug in. Got everything working. There we go. That was a nice morning. I wasn't supposed to trade, but I had an awesome trade, and I do believe we're going into this opening range gap, like we talked about in London. Why? No one really answered that question. I'll go over it. No one really answered that question, but it's look at it. Why do we need to go in here? But yeah, I do think we're going to go in there and do some rebalancing, as said in during London. I had a few models lining up in this area, so I took it. I took the trade. It was not pretty. I mean, the price action was horrible. But two things lining up, I got in and I set this whole thing. It was just back and forth, back and forth. A few times stopped out, get back in. Oh, what's going on in my throat? And but yeah, it paid out pretty well. So beautiful price action. Well, not beautiful price action, but things are playing out. But now I do think for the PM session we're going into this yesterday's opening range gap. Yes. So how are you? How has it been going? I'm curious how everyone has been doing today. Um, I think it's just a matter of waiting for the 1:30 for the PM session, but I do think we're going into this gap here because once we're going up, so we went into this wick here. Get rid of this because this is done. I want to show you. Where is it? 618. Did anyone take this long in the morning? Anyone manage to catch it as well? I mean, I was watching it because I know I've said I don't trade this day, but I just two models stacking up. I just could not let it go. Just want to show one of the models that I played. 658. So I have this candle here. This one is always in conjunction with 312. Where's the 312? Here we go. Matches exactly with the first presented fair value gap. So root candles, the 658 with the 312, they are a couple, and especially in a scenario like this, let's see, 312 is here. So the two blue ones here. Go to the 5-minute. Root candle, once it crosses it, you can always safely play it until the 312, especially in a model like this. And exactly that, I think that was the play until 11 o'clock. See here, boom, and that's it. stacked two models at once, so it was just a beautiful opportunity. Now price action wasn't that clean, but after it passed this 658, it got it got a little easier, and it just went very quickly to here. Then it retest 1140 and it went all the way. I didn't do that, but how many points was this? 670 to 699, 30 points. Well, yeah, I took it a little bit earlier. I took it all the way from here. So, but yeah, let's see. I do think we're going to go into this opening range gap. So let's have a look. Have a look. Have a look. It's a beautiful day. Mm-hmm. Oh, I ate so much. I'm a little bit full, so I have a little bit of stomach ache. I just ate too much and too fast. Whew. But also a lot of like when I eat that, my stomach aches up. I need to calm my stomach is a little bit upset from my fast and my fast eating. Haha. Okay, let's have a look at the higher time frame. I mean, it's pretty obvious. I mean, it's not really a mystery what's going to happen. Let's see. Yeah, with the opens here. Now the question is, are we going to fill the whole gap, right? What is lacking? What is lacking in this gap exactly? Sell side, sell side, sell side. So what is lacking? Buy side, buy side, buy side. Are we going to go all the way back up here? Could be. Are we going to fill up? Are we going to balance out the whole imbalance on the day before FOMC? So ask yourself that as well. Let's calculate the Fibonacci from the 15-minute. We've got a beautiful manipulation there. So this is the manipulation, and we are in the distribution. This one calculates this way. 2, 2, 2. Okay, we managed to go to 1. Let's see, we can go to 2 here. I'm gonna get rid of this one. I'm gonna leave this one. I'm gonna use the latest one. Gonna use the latest. Okay, let's see how the 4-hour has been, because we're gonna get a new 4-hour in 1 hour and 5 minutes. Wow, look at this one. Got all the way up here. Now I still had this NWAP on my point of interest list as well. Why? Same thing as this opening range gap. It lacks buy side. You see, there's only sell side here. So I have this NWAP also on. If we do go higher, this is definitely a point of interest for me as well. But it's a little bit higher than I expected. I don't think it should go there today. It's 980 and we're at 700. Well, it's not that high. It's 200 points almost. I mean 300 points almost, but maybe for tomorrow because FOMC coming, right? Do we have other news in London? I don't think we have London news, right? Is there anything in the in 1 minute we've got the 10-year bond auction fine. Oh my God, guys! I just see something that popped up in the news. Trump is speaking at 10 past 6. That is new. That wasn't there this morning. So Trump is speaking. Oh boy. Okay. Well, anyway, better get it out of the way for tomorrow. Um, okay, we've got an 8:30 candle tomorrow. Employment cost, federal funds rate, FOMC. Okay, there was one tentative, and I think they deleted that one. Okay, so President Trump speaking today. Hmm. I'm almost inclined to already. I'm not going to do anything on my account anymore because I've locked myself out because I made over $1,000 on that funded. I'm not touching it anymore. Um, so only paper trading for me. But we are. I do think we're going to go into this gap here, maybe even to first presented of Monday. What time is it? Okay, let's wait until 1 o'clock. Then the 10-year bond option drops. You won't see a lot of reaction, but it just price action. Well, maybe we do, but price action has sort of been. It's always like this. Tomorrow's FOMC as well, so it could be also about because FOMC tomorrow. Right? I think though that they swapped some dates with news. It seems to be a little bit different though. Hey Kwame, how are you doing? How's it going, my friend? Did you trade this morning? I wasn't supposed to trade, but I did trade actually. I took this long. Um, did really well. But I think like in London, I think we're going into this gap here. So the old opening range gap is in play because it's, we lack something there. We lack buy side. So I do think we might balance this out. So let's wait for in 1 minute, the bond auction has dropped and then maybe it will get a little bit less high resistance. I mean, price action, it was a nice trade. I had like two models overlapping with each other. But price action it was so high resistance. It was horrible in the sense of, not really. It did move after 11 o'clock a little bit easier, but a lot of wicks down and but it went. So all good. How about you, Kwame? Are you ready to pass a few more evaluations? I think I should buy. We have to wake up for London session. Yeah, London session it can be, but you need to sleep as well. For me, it's Asia, so I would also wish I did not have to sleep, and then I could also look in Asia because everything helps, right? But you know what? You need to sleep, and there's enough to AM, PM, pre-market. You can trade London session literally also starting at 6 or 7, or you just look at it when you wake up and then you get your information. But definitely, it does help looking at the information, but you don't have to wake up. Yeah, 24 hours trading. We cannot do that. But yeah. But you didn't miss much in London. There's a lot of consolidation again, and we did have a short in London. And in London, I did mention that I said if we are going up, I do see us going up into this opening range gap of yesterday because we only have sell side delivery here, right up here. Now, yes, on the lower time frame you see a few wicks back and forth, but on the higher time frame you only see sell side, right? Here you see, it's only sell side. So on the 15, it's sell side only. So we need some rebalancing there. So if we do go up, I do think we might. Now the question is, are we going to fill it up completely? Or are we going to leave something? That's the question. How far in are we going to go? But yeah, look, there's a daily open, a weekly open, and a little gap here as well, which obviously, oh, this is not the daily open, this gap. That's interesting. That is so interesting. Okay, well, I want to find a nice trade. I'm not gonna touch my account anymore. I'm gonna lock myself out because I think I made 1100 on that account, on that funded, so I'm not touching. Um, so let's see, what time is it? 1. Okay, it's 1 past 1. Okay, let's see. I think I'm gonna go into a pay. I'm just gonna do it. I think we're done with this level here. So for me, my stop loss is gonna be below here, and then I think we're gonna run into it. We might use the hey Aldo trades. How are you doing? I haven't seen you for a while. I think Aldo, or am I confused? How's it going? You know, we're almost there. Looking at it, like we're like almost in that whole opening range. I'm like, wow, is that okay? Oh shit! I see we have an event horizon here. Let's see. Why are you so blue? Um. Okay, let's have a look. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. And there was an event horizon here. That means the midpoint between two N walls. Now I don't like. That's why I don't like this indicator because it doesn't show me. Now this one is for some reason not working. What's going on with all these indicators? Oh, here you go. Let's just show event horizon. Why are you not showing the event horizon? Because that's so important. Okay. I might be too early in this trade, to be honest. It's a 4 hour. Let's go to the 1 hour because we have 1 more hour before we get a new 4 hour candle. Do we need any rebalancing? Okay, we have a change in state delivery here on the 1 hour. Is there a breaker? This would be it. And we could go back all the way into this area. No, I don't like that, to be honest. Oh, I would. That's a little bit too far for me. That would definitely stop me out. But that could be the case. It could be the case. And we just took Asia high here. Short Asia. Our price is beautifully bouncing off all these first percent right? Um, now, what are you going to do? What are you going to do? Did they say? Do they know the topic that Trump is going to speak on? I don't think we never know, right? I'm gonna double check if something is. Um, oh, let's see if there is anything out there. Trump speech. Trump speech. Do you stream in TikTok? Hey, Aldo, no, I only stream on YouTube. Um, So, breaking Caroline Leavitt reveals that President Trump will hold a rally tonight in Pennsylvania. Well, we greatly look forward to going to Northeast Pennsylvania. President Trump is going to give a positive economic focus speech where he talks about all that he and his team has done to bigger paychecks and lower prices for the American people. So that is today. So it's going to be a positively economic speech. So that's at 6 o'clock speech. I guess it's already then baked in the cake, right? Okay, well, okay. London and New York. Do you stream and TikTok London and New York? Yeah. So yes, London and New York. So both are on YouTube. And obviously, I started the Discord as well. It still needs to form a little bit, and I might do some 1 or 2 hours per week there as well, just for our, to communicate and to do other things that we don't get to during the stream. So maybe in the weekends or something like that. Are you gonna take me out already? Oh, are we getting a storm again? Are you kidding me? I hear the thunder already. Crazy. We had so much thunder and lightning. This weekend was really, I mean, it was beautiful, but it was like I never seen anything like this. It was half an hour, just thunder, lightning. It was so close because I've got ocean view here, and it was just in front of me, but it was really, really close. And it was just like it was like the gods were fighting. It was boom, boom, and it's like back and forth, half an hour just back and forth with thunder and lightning. I never seen anything like it, but it was beautiful, but scary. So now I hear it again, like oh. But anyway, we'll see. If my internet drops, you guys know why, right? Okay, I was too early. I'm just paper trading now. I'm not touching my account anymore. I should buy a few new evals, by the way. I'm gonna do that tomorrow. I'll do that. We took Asia a high, so we can expect a little bit of a movement, right? It just makes sense. So I mean, Asia high was here, and we just took it. Just so I mean, obviously we're gonna get a little bit of a retracement, I guess, and maybe they're not gonna go into that. Maybe they're not gonna do it. Oh, possible. Let's see. But in all honesty, I do think that we're gonna go a little bit in this range, at least to maybe. Let me see if anything lines up. Where does the 50% line up? Okay. Where does the 0.75, does it line up in the envelope? No, everything is out of the envelope. Okay. Okay. Ooh. I ate so much that I'm a little bit tired from it. I ate a lot. And it was so nice, but ooh, it was a heavy meal. It's so good. Okay, what time is it? 1:30. Let's see if we get some normal candles now after the bond auction job. See, now at least we can see some normal candles forming. Let's see if it continues to be that way. My mic is not working? Not at all? Let me check. My mic is not working? I hear it. Let me check. Are you sure, Kwame, it's my side? I listen on it on YouTube and it seems to be fine. Is it just sometimes disappearing? Because it could be the weather. Then the internet might be bad. But I hear it if I put YouTube on. I do hear it. Mm-hmm. Okay, let's see, guys. When we can find a good entry, because I think this was a nice breaker retest, but it's all outside macro. But we seem to be going up. It's almost 130. Today it's Tuesday, right? Yeah, today's Tuesday. Is it gonna spike up already? What is it, Dolly? Not again. You're not gonna catch it, my love. It's on the outside. It's just teasing me. Hmm? Dolly. Hey. Hey. Hello. You're a pretty girl. It's okay. Oh, okay. Oh, it's the food that I ate. That's why I'm so tired. Because I just ate a little bit too much. That's why you see me yawning. It's not because well, I mean, I might be a little bit bored with the price action, but it doesn't make me yawn normally. It's just like a big plate of food. And it was so nice. I actually overate a little bit. So, it's just like, I was so hungry, so that's why I ate so much. Normally I don't eat that much. Okay, I think we're gonna go in 117. Opens on 86 ticks. It's almost a 1-to-1. Let's see if we're gonna get some follow through. But I do think we're gonna go higher. Okay, event horizon. That's why see, that's why we're stopping here, because we're at the event horizon. But we want follow through. Is my mic still not working? I double checked and it seems to be working. Let me know, Kwame, if you still don't hear it. If you go enter the end walk or that opening range gap after 130, all possible. She should wait. Darling, je suis pas bien doen. You're so cute, you're so cute, you're so cute. Oh, I see it. Okay. Okay, so we stopped at above 1%. If I just 78. It is sort of early, the entry on my end, but on the other hand, we sort of already retested the breaker. I'm just wondering if the move into the opening range gap on the yellow areas is going to be the manipulation move, and then the distribution will be to the downside. Might not be today, but I'm just wondering if that might be the case. Or we also could get the manipulation move to the downside, and then the distribution to the upside. So then, in that case, I'll be stopped out. Could be. Oh, I ate so much. It's really giving me a hard time. They're not making it easy. They're not making it easy. Okay, let's see if we can find anything. Um, okay. I haven't even looked at gold all day. Let me check gold a little bit. Um, you can hear the thunder. I don't hope we're going to get one of those storms again. Just okay, quickly have a look at what is happening here. Being a little gold. Okay. Okay, 124. Come on, NQ, go, go, go. I might change my TP a little bit higher. 719. It's exactly the top. Totally, come here. Come here, puppy. Hey, Tony. It's not there. Let me check if I've got everything inside because I think there's a storm. There's a big wind coming and it's already. See, there's nothing on the balcony. Mm. In case my internet disappears, you guys knows what's going on. It's just because the storm might take out the power again. Happened a lot lately. It's a bit annoying, but storms have been crazy. Okay, come on. I shouldn't even be anticipating before 1:30. It's my bad. But question is, how high are you going to go? How high are you going to go? What are you going to leave for tomorrow for F1C? Now, if the news of Trump is just because if they already spilled like it's all positive, they might, be inclined to already move the market higher. Um, let's see if they're going to do that. Let's see. She's bouncing beautiful off this of this fair value gap, right? So it sort of like looks bullish. It already did the retesting here. It was outside macro, so it's sort of like you cannot really trust it, but on the other hand, it looks extremely bullish, right? But we've seen price action going back and forth. There we go. 128. Let's see. Oh. Totally, it's not there. Okay, thank you. Let's go. It's 129. You need to start running, or are you going to do something else? 10-year bond auction has gone. It's gone. You can move now. I know Trump is speaking, but it's okay, my love. You can move freely now. Feel free. Go. Go be free. Go spread your wings. Maybe I should put a magnet here. Oh, I'm so tired. I see a magnet here and I put this one, but that's another magnet. Oh. Here we go. They always work, right? Where is the 1202? Oh, I like this. Okay. This is nice and bullish. Is my mic maybe capped again? I think so. Test. It's working. I think oh, did I see I see lightning in the window. Oh, I don't hope we're gonna get one of those storms again. Uh, 132 already. You see, we are at the event horizon, right? It's right here, so we are just bouncing off here. So, but definitely going into this week. Not definitely, but I do think we're going into this week, which is also that opening range gap. Okay, well, this is now sort of disrespected, right? We can see that. We can sort of like come to terms with that. Did it? Maybe this should be the TP, because look at the bodies in the 1 minute. It's just the wick just ends here, 745. So maybe it's too high, my TP. It should be here. So it's a 1-to-1. That's bad. Why? Because this is, here's some sell side buy side already, so it doesn't need to go up there. So I think maybe the 1, this might be enough. There is some. Ha ha ha, come on. Let's see. Well, not really much relief with the 10-year bond auction being done, right? I thought maybe 130 might give a little bit of an, oh, it's sort of a dismissing to the downside, but the question is, where does it want to go? Gonna futz around a little bit in the area. Are we just gonna hang out here? I was gonna stop me out anyway. Yeah. You guys hear that? What does the weather? Is there a storm coming again? Just double check. Let's see what's gonna happen with the weather. Market is terrible. Hey Nintendo. Yeah, it's tomorrow FOMC, and There was 10-year bond auction today, but also Trump is speaking at 6. But apparently it's going to be positive. But I had a good morning though, against expectations, to be honest. Just checking into the weather because I have thunder coming, and last time I lost internet. I didn't even start the PM stream. I just want to make sure that I want to be not being taken by surprise. But yeah, it looks pretty bad. I'm gonna get a lot of wind in about now. We'll see. If I lose internet, you know, God, you know what's happening. Yeah. Yeah, market is horrible. Well, it's not horrible. It's just very slow and it just doesn't do anything, right? So yeah, just take me out. I'm happy that I made my money on my funded. I think there was more move to the upside, but could still be later on. On the other hand, I'm like, you know, tomorrow FOMC. I'm looking forward to that though. So maybe it's just, you know, price could go up in here, but I don't think it's going to be a very quick move. It's just going to, you know, just trickle up. So I'm just thinking maybe to leave it here because not waste too much time on price action like this. And yeah, so tomorrow I'll definitely do a FOMC stream. I love FOMC. It's sort of predictable in the way that it runs because it has a fake move and then at 2:30 always a real move comes. So if you wait long enough, most of the times there is very good opportunity on in FOMC, but you have to wait. Do not enter too soon. But yeah, so I think I'm going to leave it here, guys. I don't think there's going to be a lot to do. I do think if there will be a move, it will go into this opening range gap to fill it with some buy side. But the question is, how far will it go, right? If I look on the 15 or 13 minute, I can't remember. It was, oh, there's an, was it? I think it was the hourly. It was the hourly. No, it was not. Am I confused? Yes, I'm confused. I'm very much confused. I have no idea what I was looking at. I thought I saw that it was only the on the bottom. Maybe it was the 5 minute. Let me see. Was it the 5 minute? Was that 8? Was that 8? No. I can't remember. I saw it and said, oh, it's only the bottom. I was looking at gold or something. Oh my god. Oh. Well, anyway, there's only buy side, sell side, so if it goes up, but it doesn't have to do today. And the market is terrible, so let's leave it for here for today. The food is just so heavy on my stomach. I think I'm going to fall asleep anytime. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. For those in London, I'll see you guys in London, and for those, I'll be back tomorrow at 2. I'll do 1:45 so we can go over the market a little bit and go over some levels before FOMC drops. So looking forward to that, guys. So we're just going to leave it for here, and also because the storm is coming, I don't know if I'm going to lose internet anyway. Just be careful. Trump speaking at 6. FOMC tomorrow, so they might hold the market in a range for now. Maybe it goes into this range for a little bit. We don't know, but it's just not worth the wait. If you made your money, run and don't give anything back, right? And if not, just don't expect too much. And if there's a move in the macro that's coming, just don't overstay. Just be careful. Just go get in, get out, and just run afterwards with the money. So, okay, guys. I'm so tired. I don't know what's going on. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Wish you all the best for today, and I'll see you soon again.